single day.
Happy morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are enjoying your holidays at home. This is our third chapter, Understanding Quadrilaterals. These are the things we are discussing in this class. They are introduction, plane figures, types of plane figures, curves and polygons, types of curves and polygons, diagonal, quadrilateral, types of quadrilaterals, angle sum property. Plane figures. In your earlier classes, you might have known about figures. In this class, we are briefly discuss and remind something about the plane figures. Look at here. Plane figure. A basic element of geometry. Yes. A plane figure is a flat surface that extends indefinitely. That is, it has infinite length and width, but no thickness. For example, you think about our Earth. Can you find out its starting point and its ending point? No. And a line. We know a line have no end in any direction. Second point. It is a surface such that a straight line joining any two of its points lies entirely in its surface. Types of plane figures. A plane figure can be made of straight lines, curves, curved lines, or both straight and curved lines. There are some plane figures like open shapes, closed shapes, open and closed curves, polygons. A closed shape can be defined as an enclosed shape or figure whose line segments and/or curves are connected or meet. Look at this diagram. From this, you come to know all the shapes are closed. They have no break in their structure. Everything is started and ending in the same point. Open shape. An open shape can be defined as a shape or figure whose line segments and/or curves do not meet. They do not start and end at the same point. Look at these diagrams. From this, there is a break between their starting and ending. They are not meet in the same point. That's why we call these shapes or open shapes. I hope you are understand the difference between open and closed shapes. Here is a test for you. We are going to match the exact figure based on the open and closed shapes. Look at the first shape, second one, third, fourth. First one, it is not closed. Then second one, look at this, it is not completed. Third one, it is completed as well as it closed. Fourth one, it is also completed and closed. So now we are going to match these figures. So for the first one, look at the types. Simple closed curve, a closed curve that is not simple, simple curve that is not closed, not a simple curve. So the first one, look at here, it is a simple curve but not closed. Second one, it is not a simple curve. Third one, simple, it is a simple closed curve. Fourth one, a closed curve, but it is not simple. Next, classification of polygons. A simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. They are triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. Diagonal. A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. In other words, we can say a diagonal is a line segment which connects opposite edges of a closed figure. Here, look at this diagram. PQRS is a closed polygon. Diagonals are P, R, and QS. They are connected by the line segment QS and PR. PR and QS are the opposite vertices of this polygon. Convex and concave polygons. Polygons are classified into two types. They are convex and concave. A polygon with any of the internal angles greater than 180 degrees is known as a concave polygon. Concave polygon, the internal angles of the any polygon is greater than 180 degree. Look at this diagram. From this diagram you come to know this figure, the internal angle of the second figure. Look at here. We know the angle at the point is 360 degree. Suppose it is 60 means the internal angle is become 300. So 300. According to the condition, you come to know this is greater than 180 degrees. So this is called concave. Look at the first figure. It's a triangle. Triangle's angle of a triangle is definitely less than 180 degree. Sum of these three angles is 180 degree. That's why a polygon of which all interior angles are less than 180 degrees is known as convex. So this is called convex type of polygon. The another type is regular polygon. Polygons are two-dimensional geometrical objects composed of points and line segments connected together to close and form a single shape, and a regular polygon have all equal angles and all equal size lengths. So a polygon which has all its size and angles are equal, we call it regular polygon. Look at these shapes. So these shapes have equal angles and they are equal sides also. So all the sides are, for example, if the side of this one is 2 centimeter, automatically all its sides are 2 centimeter. I hope you understand. Then look at this figure. If all the sides are 1, means this also comes under regular polygon. Look at this figure. You can consider the sides of this is regular polygon because all its size measurement is 1 centimeter. So these three are comes under regular polygon. We know there is a thing it consists an opposite as like regular becomes irregular when polygons that are not regular are considered to be irregular polygons with unequal sides or angles or both. A third set of polygons are known as complex polygons. See, if we see this picture, automatically we come to know this is not equal in all the sides. The length of this is very so if the shape which consists all its sides of different measurement that comes under irregular polygons. This is also an irregular polygon. From the shape we come to know it is definitely a regular polygon. So I hope you understand the regular and irregular polygon. Regular and irregular are based on the angle and sides of the polygon. Concave and convex are based on the internal or interior angle of the shapes. Quadrilaterals. This is our topic. We are going to discuss about this topic very clearly. So, quadrilateral, a closed figure bounded by four line segments, is called a quadrilateral. They are. See, quadrilateral is a polygon if all its sides are connected by four line segments. Triangle also a polygon, but it has only three sides. That is the only difference between triangle and the quadrilaterals. Here we have some quadrilaterals like square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium, rhombus, and so on. You know, a square consists four sides, rectangle also consists four sides, parallelogram also consists four sides, trapezium as like rhombus. All these figures are connected or enclosed by four line segments. Angle sum property. This is very important property to identify what is the sum of angles of that shape. Angle sum property of any polygon is equal to number of sides of the given polygon or a quadrilateral minus 2 into 180 degree. So it is not applicable only for triangle. So instead of that, we apply polygon because all are comes under polygon. So when triangle comes, we can write it is a polygon. Okay. So n which represents number of sides of a given shape and 180 is the angle. Look at this example. Sum of the three angles of a triangle. Triangle which consists three sides minus 2 into 180. 3 minus 2 is become 1 into 180 is equal to 180 degree. You guys know about this. The sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degree. You can apply this rule for or this formula for any type of polygons. The name of the state the name of a regular polygon. Look at, I already told you regular. Regular means all the sides and angles of a shape is same. So if a polygon which consists three sides and three equal sides and three equal angles, it is equilateral triangle. Triangle, we know so many types of triangles. From that equilateral triangle which consists all its three sides equal and three angles also equal. Four sides square. We have so many uh, quadrilaterals like square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium, rhombus, and so on. From this regular polygon property is applicable only for square. Square is when we comparing square with the rhombus, all the four sides are equal, but the angle of their two shapes are vary. S- Square, which consists all its angles are same instead of a rhombus. Then, if a polygon which consists five equal sides and angles, that's called regular pentagon. If a polygon which consists six equal sides and angles, it's called a regular hexagon. Then seven sides is called heptagon. Eight sides is called regular octagon. Nine equal sides and angles is called regular nanogon. 10 sides is called regular decagon. Number of sides is increasing accordingly, we can say regular anagon. This first question we are going to discuss with the help of that definitions and some properties, angle some property like that. Find the sum of the measures of angles x, y, and z in the following figures. Look at the diagram. See, x is a line segment and xy is a line segment and zy is also a line segment. Look at these two angles are formed in a straight line. That's why these two angles are called adjacent angles or linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. So, according to the condition of sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That's why x, y, z is a triangle. So we don't know the value of this angle, the adjacent angle of y. That's why we keep this, the given name to this is A. So now, according to the condition, the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 90 degree plus 30 degree plus unknown interior angle A is equal to 180 degree. Then A is equal to 90 plus 30 is become 120. We know the additive inverse of plus 120 becomes minus 120. Then the value of A is 60. The sum of adjacent angles in a straight line is 180 degree, so that at x and 90 are linear parangles. So x plus 90 is 180 degree. X is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. Then on the other part, other vertex, z plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. So z is equal to 180 minus additive inverse of 30 becomes 150 degree. Then y plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. Then value of y becomes 120 degree. Now, according to the condition of the question, sum of the measures of angles x, y, z, they mean sum. We know sum means addition of the three angles. So we should add 180 with 120 and 90. We can get 360 degree. Here is the another question. Find the angle. Measure x in the following figure. Solution. Look at this diagram, children. It is a quadrilateral. It has four line segments closed I hope you all understand this is a polygon. What type of polygon can you say? This is convex polygon, yes, because its interior angles are less than 180 degree. So according to the condition of angle sum property, number of sides minus 2 into 180 degree. So it consists 4 sides. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So 2 into 180 degree is equal to 360 degree. So the angle sum property of this shape is 360 degree. Then so here x plus 50 plus 130 plus 120 becomes 360 degree. X plus, when we add 50 plus 130 plus 120 we get 300. So x plus 300 become is equal to 360 degree. X is equal to 360, add with reciprocal of additive inverse of 300 becomes minus 300. So the answer of the value of x is 60 degree. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.